My name is Jeff Fernia, and I live in Goodyear, Arizona. Before I retired, my wife and I were both pretty active in a lot of stuff. When we retired, we moved out here full-time and pretty much gave up everything except golf and cycling for me. Then a couple years later, I thought, well, I've done from Chicago to California. Now I want to do from Chicago to the East Coast. So all winter, been training on the bike. We've been doing all the logistic work for the bike trip, miles every day, towns we can stay in. About 6 weeks ago today is when I had my surgery, so it was probably a week and a half ahead of that. I had my regular visit with my cardiologist, and that started me on this whole journey. So my regular doctor, cardiologist, said, well, let's just get some pictures and see what it looks like. And that didn't go over too well, I guess. I ended up getting an angiogram. And when I woke up from that, said, you didn't do too good. I think you need at least a triple bypass. I was floored. My cardiologist said, we've made you an appointment to go see a surgeon, and we think this is the best guy in town. So we met with Dr. Merrick Kirshner up at Abrazo, and he was very personable when we met him on our first visit. It was just the three of us sitting in his office. We asked him a million questions. He had all the answers for us. Very nice guy, very positive. Gave us a history, a little bit about him and how long he'd been doing this, and this is what he does. He's been doing this for a long time. He's done thousands of these. So when we left there, we felt, okay, we like this guy. So within 2 days, I got a call from his office patient manager. She got me scheduled for all my pre-op tests and all that stuff on the next Tuesday. And then the following Friday, I went in for the surgery. So the first day, that afternoon, I was in and out a lot from the anesthesia and the pain meds. But the nurses were right there. The nurses station was right outside my door. But everybody was so nice and just like so attentive. And it was really amazing. So it's 6 weeks today from when I had the surgery. And I feel like I'm 90+% back to normal. I really want to thank Biltmore Cardiology and Abrazo Arrowhead Campus for basically saving my life. The care was unbelievably good. I couldn't have asked for anything better.